Hello everyone. I wanted to come on quick to show you how to log into the Literacy Footprints digital reader it is a place where you will access your books to read them, and then you will have an assignment to follow up with them. So what you will need to do, I'm going to move myself to the bottom of the screen now, okay? So what you will need to do is you can follow the link that I have already posted on the It's Learning page, or you just need to go into a Google search and you could do Literacy Footprints Digital Reader and you will come up to this screen. When you get here, all you have to do is push student login. For this, you are going to put Andrews with a capital A 5 and push go. From here, I need you to click on cook because that's going to bring you into the books. And then here, you're going to put the password that I have emailed to you in this spot. So I'm going to click that. Once you get in here, really simple, all you have to do is push on Assign Books and then select the book that I have chosen for you to read for today. For example, Okie and the Baby Seal, I'm going to open that. Just like before, all you have to do is flip through it with the arrows, read it, and then follow through with the task. Any questions, let me know.